Hi and welcome back. Look what we have here. Isn't that just ugly looking? Well, that there is on my little volcano queen that I had outside, and this is damage from too much cold wind. It started off where it was just on the edges, and now it is completely taken over. It's dry, it's not a wet, so it's not rot, it's just cell damage. And I'm a little disappointed in that. And then also, if we look at that's the Chai Golden Super cross, but look at those leaves back there. See that? That's damage from the cold as well. It's wind. It wasn't cold outside, but I guess the wind was too cool. And if I can get in there and turn it around and show you, so it's not on the back. Again, that's just cellular damage coming, as well as here, 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 and this just shows you how strong the wind was, and I didn't realize it. It broke this leaf. But the worst for me is my poor Jane Austen. I had her outside. I did not feel any wind breeze or anything, but again, after about a week, and there goes that one. After about a week, it started doing this. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put my girls outside this year or not. If I do, it'll probably be on the front porch. I think in the back, it's just too windy no matter where I put them. Because they had sun, but it wasn't the strong afternoon sun. It was the early morning, late afternoon. The only thing I can think of is the heavy wind. And let's see, go down here again let me pull out my Vanda here and show y'all. So if you look on her on this side, you see all that? So it's not soft, it's all firm. It's just, I believe it's just damage from the wind. And then this poor little tender leaf, when it first started growing, it showed those little signs. So I will reconsider as far as putting the girls outside. Vanda did well last year on the front porch, and I think I'm going to just, if I do grow them outside this year, it'll be on the porch. I'm not going to put them in the backyard. It's just too much wind. And then, of course, look at this one. This was another one I set outside. And she was only outside for one day. This is the Brassicatleya yellowbird. And, again, cellular damage, because this is all dry. There's no moisture in any of this. It's all dry. Same thing with this one looking all black like the one we just saw at the beginning. It's just cellular damage. So I don't want to ruin my girls. So leave in the comments below your thoughts on whether the damage that we see is possibly from that wind, or if there might be something else going on, because it's not affecting the whole plant, as you can see. It's just the area right here where the wind, I'm assuming it's the wind, because it's always breezy back there. But it didn't feel strong to me, but it may have just been too strong for the girls, because they've never been outside in my care. This one back here, that's just natural leaf absorption right here. She's got like 8 growths coming on her. So that's a natural thing happening there, because that's on an old growth. All right, well, everyone, I hope you're having a beautiful day, and we'll end it on a happy note. Miss Tai-Shing Fly Eagle has decided to open up again, and we have that second one right there next to her.